Everybody, Brian back with a Cardano 88 token update here, and we had a major milestone on Cardano that I'm going to show you guys here in a second happen. We had this head and shoulders pattern forming. We got the breakout of this ascending channel, and we have tested it and now as support, and I'm going to show you the price targets for this thing, for this head and shoulders pattern. I'm going to show you what we could be expecting here as far as where we're headed with price and everything else. But let's go over this milestone that they hit here. Pretty huge. Cardano marks a historic milestone as non-custodial wrapped Bitcoin mints on the network. Okay, this article just came out. Says down here, NANO BTC has unveiled a CBTC demo that showcases minting wrapped Bitcoin on Cardano. This marks a historic milestone for the Cardano network. Good for them. I'm so happy for these guys. I remember a couple years ago when everybody was bashing Cardano, saying, oh, nothing's building on it, nothing's building on it. They got a blockchain, but nothing's building on it. Now, I did a video about 3 weeks ago that there's 1,200, new products building on Cardano right now. So this thing's really coming to life. It says here, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson reacted to the exciting news that CBTC could now be minted on the Cardano network. Bitcoin has a new home. If you want to go watch the Twitter video, I tried watching it here, but it's not real clear. It shows them actually purchasing and wrapping the Bitcoin here, but as you can see, it's not coming in real clear. So if you want to go watch it on your own, you might want to do that. So CBTC, a Bitcoin asset on Cardano, is similar to wrapped Bitcoin on Ethereum, but it does not have a centralized custodian. NANO BTC, which seeks to bring on-chain wrapped Bitcoin to Cardano and Ergo, earlier announced the CBTC demo would precede its Cardano public testnet release. In an earlier and separate announcement, the protocol stated the public testnet of a NANO BTC, which will bring wrapped Bitcoin to Cardano, is scheduled to launch Thursday, April 20th. Wow, that's awesome. Ahead of the milestone, they've announced several updates in its journey to bring wrapped Bitcoin to Cardano. These include successfully minting CBTC on Cardano, mobile app development, and open sourcing its Cardano smart contracts. It is also conducting a security audit for its wrapping protocol, an important milestone, it says, for launching its mainnet protocol on Cardano. Wrapped assets enable liquidity to be bridged from other ecosystems, and wrapping Bitcoin on Cardano could help unlock liquidity from the $585 billion Bitcoin market. And NANO BTC says it wants to bring Bitcoin liquidity into Cardano and Ergo to contribute to the anticipated DeFi explosion of these leading blockchains. Pretty awesome. That's huge. Wow. Boy, that could definitely drive price up. Thursday, I'd keep your eye on Thursday. That could be a big day for ADA. So here's your crypto bubbles for the day. A lot of green out there. Things are looking pretty nice though. RSIs, a lot of them are kind of resetting right now if you put this on the hourly. But a lot of them have reset. I just did a video where 75% of this was red. Now it looks like roughly 50%. So things are turning around here for the day. It looks. Here's your top 100 on coin market cap. And if we go down through here, and there's Cardano right there, down 0.15%. And look at the volume there, 390 million. Okay. Boy, why does Litecoin have so much volume there? 737 million. I haven't looked at that chart for a long time. I apologize. You hear my neighbor going by on his Harley there. But Litecoin, boy, that's a lot of volume. BNB, quite a bit of volume. I think a lot of people see a breakout coming in this market for sure, especially when Bitcoin broke the 31,000. That was huge. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, market cap's up 1.3%. Volume is down 12.1% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is still dropping, down another 0.5% down to 43.9. The crypto fear and greed indicator is at a 68 now. We were at a 68 yesterday, still in the greed. All right, and if we go on this Cardano chart, if you look down at the bottom right, I want to show you the trading view technicals. Cardano is a buy on the daily. It's neutral on the oscillators. The moving averages, it is a strong buy. So the thing looks strong for sure. This is on the daily. If we put the that is your 50 and 200 moving average, and you can see back here's where we had our golden cross. All right, and now these things, it's way above these moving averages, so that's looking fantastic. But what I want to do here is I want to take a measurement of this head and shoulders. First of all, let's get this perfect. Okay, all right, now let's get a measurement of this thing. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much. We gave away 100 ADA at the end of May there, beginning of April, and we're going to do another giveaway the very last day of the month. All you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. That's it, and we would appreciate that so very much. And there's also, I do a lot of trading on KuCoin, so I checked in there. If you're interested, there's 20% off your trading fees in the description of the video, a link for that. But if we take a measured move, okay, of this breakout, all right, move this up here. You know, we're looking, wow, yeah, coming back up to the 59-cent area roughly. If this plays out, you know, nothing's a guarantee in anything. That's for sure. You learn that in life. But that would be the measured move of this thing, right up towards the 59-cent area. Now, if I get on my other chart, because that's where I have my major support and resistance areas, we ended up blasting up through there. Okay, now it looks like we are. Let's put this back on the 4-hour. Okay. Because it looks like we have, apologize, there we go. That's the one I wanted, I'm sorry. Alright, we have done a 5-wave. Okay, we had our 1, 2, 3. You know, this could either be 3 right here, 4, 5. Okay, or this is actually up here. And this is a 4. Let me get my 5 up here, and our 5 is coming up here yet. Okay, now or that could be exactly what's going on, because this wasn't much of a 4th wave pullback. Now, if we put this on the 4-hour, this makes a little bit more sense. Okay, right there, that would look more like a 4th wave pullback to me than this. This could have, you know, just been a simple stalling out there, but your 3rd wave is always your impulsive and your longest wave, and it looks like to me like we still have that 5th wave to go. To verify that, we would have to, let's see where, let's put a Fibonacci up here, okay, because I wouldn't want to lead you astray, that's for sure. And it's not financial advice, folks. I don't do that stuff, and that stuff is for the professionals. But we have come up and hit that 702, all right? You want to see this thing get through that 702 for higher prices. That's a super, super important area, because that's going to dictate if this this was the 5th wave, or if this was the 5th wave here, or if this is the 5th wave here. That's 702. We need to get through that 45, say 45. Let me see here. Let's just say the 0.455, all right? We need to get through that. That 702 is a very, very familiar spot for this. I'm going to show you right now. For an A, B, C, okay? That's 702. I mean, it works out that way so many times. You would it would amaze you if you went through these charts and seen that. Then that would explain, that would give us our answer right there, okay? That this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, okay? That very well could be what played out here. I kind of have a hard time believing almost that that we still have this here. That would look really odd. Okay, so quite honestly, I wouldn't be shocked one bit if we do an ABC correction up here. Totally normal. Let's look at the RSIs and see if that's backing anything up. That 4 hour is on its way up. Okay, like I said, we get through that area, then we have more upward momentum here. But we have to do a correction at some time. That is absolutely perfectly normal. Okay, and I always want to be honest with you guys. I don't want to be a moon boy and come on here and say it's going up every day. All right, you have corrections. These markets come up in waves. You know, anything, I've always heard this saying, anything that goes up in a straight line comes back down in a straight line. You have to build support areas. Okay, so the 1 hour is almost to the top. Let's look at the 8 and the 12 and see if what we got going on. The 8 is on its way down, and the 12 is on its way down, and the daily is pretty overextended. Okay, so this could absolutely be an ABC. Please do your own research and look into it yourself. And I'm just showing you the honest truth, what I see going on here. But like I said, keep an eye on them levels. If you do your charting, put a Fibonacci on this thing, and keep an eye on that. If we clear out and if we break through that last fib level at 0.45, say 0.457, then we're going to be heading for higher prices. So I'll keep an eye on this thing, guys. Hope I didn't confuse you guys too much, but you want to keep an eye on these Elliott waves because they work in 5-wave patterns. You have 5 waves, then you have a 3-wave correction, then you start another 5 waves up. Okay, the direction of the movement, but you have to have corrections in between movements up. That's just the way the market goes. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and thank you. Please hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching my video.